Hello, good evening, Odio. Um, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce your name. I got that from the email you gave me, but sorry if I butchered it. But anyway, my name is Loretta from Sky High Marketing. I spoke with you earlier and I promised you a video, so here it is. I just want to show you 3 tips you can use and really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let's get started. You have done quite some work here on your website. It's pretty amazing. Kind of love the images. I love your logo. But one thing I can say though is that you do not have your form submit right here where people can put their information. I know it's kind of behind the contact us, which is okay, which is good as well, but it's good to have it right here. And you have your information up here, pretty good. This kind of need a little bit organization. And I can see that you do not have a lot of content. And what I mean by content is anything that you can highlight, whether there are images or anything behind the images, they are all content. So let's check out your opponent. I went out and check out these guys. Is Gulf Coast Fence. Looking at their site, I love they have the drop downs, a few of them which you do not have, and they have a lot more text and some more images. And yeah, they have pretty good amount of content, and they have a lot of click buttons. These are like if you click on them, then you go somewhere and be able to read more about the pictures. You have quite a few, but they have a little bit more, so they have more content than you do. So if I have to help you with your site, can I make some adjustments on it? There are 2 things we have to do. First, we have to have at least 1,500 or probably a lot more content in order to beat your competition. And secondly, we have to have some keywords in here. For example, if you have multiple times, like something like this, Iron Gate, Houston, Texas, or Iron Gate, Richmond, Texas, or Iron Hand Rails, Houston, just add a series, and then you have them multiple places down here. And when someone comes in here, when I Google that, you will be really relevant, and Google will be willing to put you at the top. In addition, the more content you have, the more knowledgeable Google thinks you are. So if you have more content, Google will think that you are more knowledgeable. So let's check out the search here. I went ahead and search fence repair iron welding work, Houston, Texas. So when I come in here, I saw your business name. Congratulations, you are doing pretty well being up here. You're probably getting a lot more business. And then you are down here at the organic section. This is map park and this is organic section. So you are pretty much in the 2 places, which shows you're doing pretty good. But one thing I can say though is this search right here is not kind of everyday search for people who need their fencing, their fence repair. So that's why I came over here. I went ahead and searched like fence repair Houston, and that's where I found your competition, Gulf Coast repair people. So that's as you can see, they are right here at the organic section, even though they are not up here at the map park. But this search here is something that regular people will be searching more often than they search the iron and welding. So that's something you have to look at as well. So I would love you to be ranking over here the fence repair, just regular fence repair as well. You're doing pretty much, doing pretty well over here. So it'll be pretty good if you are at this area, this side as well, and ranking up here, and then at the organic section as well. So this is a paid program that I normally use to search on websites. It's called Aries. So I went ahead and search your name, your business name, so I can see what your numbers are. So here is your DR. We can see that your DR is 0. These ratings are very important to where you fall within the Google search results. The DR ratings are a poor ratings with Google. It can assure that you have a power when it comes to Google ratings. These numbers are generally increased by the amount of backlinks you have on this site. And backlinks, this is your backlinks, you have 58. Is at least you have some, but it's just not a whole lot. What backlinks is like a shout out or a click of a button from another site. For example, if let's say a blogging website has written an article on your opponent, let's say golf course fence, they've written an article and everybody should go check them out, and they happen to have a clickable button, which I showed you earlier, that will really give them a boost, and that links back to their website. That will be a backlink. Something I want to talk to you about today is called organic keywords. So when we come in here, you have 28. So when we come in here, we see all these organic keywords. We have rough iron fence repair Houston. I think this is like a company's name. And this is the volume. This is like how many times people have searched these keywords this month. So let's say this is iron fence Houston. So you see people have searched it like 100 times this month. So most of these numbers, most of these keywords have lower numbers. Some of them have high numbers. That's to show you which ones are kind of more important to people and which ones are not. Let's take a look at your competition. So this is Gulf Coast Fence. I went ahead and Google their search their business. As you can see, they have 0.8 DR, but you have 0. They don't have a whole lot, but at least they have some. And they have organic keywords. They have 328. So they have 300 more than you do. So that's something that you have to look at as well. They have a pretty some amount of numbers here, even though it's not a whole lot, but still they have a lot more numbers, which means people are searching fence repair more than they're searching what you have. So that's one thing you have to look at. So once again, we kind of touched on a lot of stuff here, mostly content and keywords. If you can get that done and kind of get your site a little bit more, kind of different look, and then add some more social media here, that will really give you kind of a need when it comes to what people are searching for and what Google are looking for as well. I hope this has been very helpful and informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Thanks and have a great day.